Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Miller. If you're watching this video, that means you are watching because you need help or you may have missed class and you're trying to figure out how to do a body paragraph. Okay. So I'm going to use blood for every single example. I'm just running with it. That's what I'm doing. So I'm keeping blood. When you do a body paragraph, everything must relate to the thesis statement. Everything does. And every body paragraph is about one of the horror elements within the thesis statement. So I have suspense, supernatural events, and source of the threat. First is going to be suspense. So the topic of our first body paragraph has to be about suspense. So what you would do is you can start off your essay either by writing it yourself or you can do something to introduce it. So the first thing I'm going to do though is look and start writing my first sentence. So okay. They just made it very simple. The first reason why blood is the best horror story is because of the suspense. So there you go. Easy enough. So what you need to do now is you need to find a quote from the story. If you are at home watching this online or on the computer and you don't have a paper copy, what you need to do is go to Classroom and then do, and here are all the stories, all of them. So I already clicked on blood. I have blood up, and I already have my quote about suspense. I was scared I could feel something lurking in the dark. So I'm going to copy and paste it because in this situation, I can, because it is a quote. I'm using information. I'm not stealing it. I'm just quoting it. And oops, period needs to be right here. However, I'm not done yet. I need to make sure that I have the right quote. So I'm sorry, the right citation to make sure it's a good quote. So you would have a citation that looks like this. MOVA, a citation requires a last name and then the page number, which would be, let's see, 1, 2. Okay, so there's 2 pages. So I'd have 2. Okay, don't know what's going on here. There we go. 2, just like that. I'd actually put it right after this. Okay, well, I guess it's just going to be like that. And your period should go right after there. And let's say you're not doing blood, which is possible. So if you're doing any other story, I'll write them down for you. And there you go. Those are your citations. Okay. So this next part is, in your own words, explain how this text provided from the passage provides evidence to support the example to your logic. So I chose this because it is creepy. It right above it says the blood of the mole can cure sick people, she whispered. You only have to drink 3 drops of it. So it does build suspense because it is creepy. So this quote comes from the part of the story where the old woman tells the narrator mole's blood can cure people who are sick. The idea that the blood of an animal curing people is creepy. Furthermore, the narrator feels something evil, which also causes tension and suspense. So that is the reason why I explained it, and it proves the point. So then the next part is infer. So use the evidence combined with your own information or logic to provide a new idea about why the example you provided matters to the prompt. So okay, so this is important. It just the suspense makes Blood the greatest horror story ever because it keeps the reader guessing on what will happen next. Okay. Does not. Okay. And then this does not happen in the other horror stories, so you explain why yours is still the best. A closing statement would be, in conclusion, which I got from the bottom, this is why is one reason why period. Beep. And that's that. All right. So if you have any questions, make sure you watch the video again or you send me an email. Thank you.